Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we could do a Frozen look for December. As you can see, I changed up my background. It's all Christmased out. I want to get a wreath, or I don't know where I'm pointing, a wreath as well. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video, and let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I've already started working on my base. I have my foundation on, which I used my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation in light medium 8. I also used the Bite Beauty Change Maker Skin Optimizing Primer. This one. I went in with my One Size Beauty concealer to kind of color correct a little bit under my eyes because this is like my skin tone color. It's light 4. And then to highlight just a tiny bit, I took a little bit of my Hourglass concealer. And this one I use in, I think, creme. I don't know. And then because it's supposed to be like a Frozen look, I didn't want to do any bronzer. I used my e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Bora Bora, I think is what it's called. Yeah, it's just like this super like bubblegum baby doll pink one. I also have, which one's this one? Turks and Caicos. It's a little bit more summery, if that makes sense. Like, it's more bronzy. Like, this is the one that I used today, and this is the other one. I really do like this one, but for, like, Frozen, I figured Baby Doll Pink would be best. I haven't done my brows because I wanted to do them, like, Frozen. You know what I mean? I think that's everything I've done so far. I haven't done a lot because I didn't want to do, like, bronzer because Frozen, you're not going to be bronzed if you're Frozen. Yeah. I think I'm going to save my brows. Yeah, I'm going to save my brows until after I do my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and take a tiny bit of my P. Louise base. And I'm going to prime my eyelids just a little bit before I go in with shadow. Just going to take some of that primer on my Beauty Blender. Just sitting on my couch, freezing to death, trying to figure out what I wanted to do today. What did I want to film? I knew I wanted to do something different, not just like a standard, you know, like eye look or whatever. But I couldn't figure it out for the life of me what I wanted to do. And I just kept thinking over and over again about how I was freezing to death. Okay, so the only like pure white that I have is in the Blood Sugar palette. It's this one. I feel like a new woman, guys. All of my brushes are clean for once. I'm going to take a M166, like a little cat paw brush. I'm going to take the white. And my base is still wet, my eye base. And I'm at first going to just like pack this on the lid. Okay, I got that packed down as much as possible with the little flat brush, and now I'm going to take a M411. Looks like that, and I'm just going to pick up the same white. And I'm going to start working it up a little bit. Really just trying to build up that pigment, so I'm mostly tapping. I am getting an ass ton of fallout, but like I said, I do have to build it up like crazy. I'll try taking some underneath. Kind of just winging this. I don't quite know what I want to do. I'm going to attempt to take this NYX eye pencil in the shade white. Looks like that. And do it in my waterline. Yeah, it's not even hardly showing up. Yeah, no. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to take my Kat Von D whiteout, or not Kat Von D. I'm going to take my KVD Whiteout Super Pomade, and I'm going to use a Morphe B11, looks like that. I'm just going to use this to do my waterline. I don't know if these are eye safe, so use at your own risk. I'm also using it on my lashes. Really, really, really loading it up on my lower lashes. I barely have any lower lashes on this side, so it's harder to see these ones. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to try to do like a white wing on top. It's not really necessary, but I think it'll look good. I definitely brought that one out way too far. Oh, whoops. Okay, using the same brush, I cleaned it off with a brush cleaner. I'm going to dip into the white eyeshadow and I'm going to set it. Setting it kind of gives it that like powdery, like snow look. Okay. And then before my lashes dry with this in it, I'm going to take a spoolie. I'm going to clean it off. I think I got most everything off. And I'm going to take the spoolie, I'm going to dip into the, what is it called, pomade. Kind of like that. It's a little fudged up, but it's okay. And I'm just going to start brushing my hairs up. Making sure that I coat them really well with the white. making all of the attractive faces. I'm gonna sleep on this side more than this side because I am a side sleeper and like my lashes on this side are like destroyed. Okay. Now what we're gonna do with the brows is pretty much the same thing. Gonna try to get as much as I can on this spoolie. And I'm going to try to carefully place this in my brows. Paige, if you're watching this, I apologize. I'm putting white all over the brows that you just tinted dark. If it gets messy like this, that's okay, because it looks like your hair is frozen backwards. You know what I'm saying? Like that, and then I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit, but I'm not too worried about it. If you ever wanted to know what you looked like with bleached eyebrows, you could do this. See, with spots like that, I can dip my finger just lightly into my eye base and pat it away. Just trying to like really build it up in some areas. I just messed that spot up again. Okay, so next thing I want to try is maybe a snowflake or two. Most likely won't turn out looking good, but we're going to try it. So I really like how that looks. I'm trying to think of what else I want to do. I think, honestly, I'm just going to throw in some highlighter. The Jaclyn palette highlighter. And I'm going to use Gleam. I'm just going to take a random like little bullet brush. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner. Just like, you know, snow, light, bright. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of Lunar Beauty Aphrodite, his red lipstick, just the tiniest bit. I'm going to take it on my little ring finger. Then I'm going to take my Iggy Azalea lip gloss and I'm Psychic and put that on the back of my hand. I used this gloss because it's clear, but it has that blue reflect in it. Now, last thing to do is I'm going to spray my face with my Desi spray. I'm going to take my highlighting brush. I'm going to dip into the same highlighter we used. And be gentle over that snowflake. I have to go pick up Brady in like 45 minutes. Okay. I love it. I'm going to zoom out and we'll look at the final look. Okay guys, this is the finished Frozen look. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I love it so much. This is pretty different from what I'm used to, if that makes any sense. Which you guys know, y'all see my videos. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!